Hi, we're from Media City, Dubai, and what you see behind me is the Arabian Radio Network, the region's largest radio network. Owing to Blue Rhine's proven expertise in high-level signage, we were tasked with designing, fabricating and installing 11 logos across 6 weeks. With 150 mm depth and 4 meters height, this was a task. We managed to achieve even illumination by stringent testing in our darkroom at our facility in DIP. The most challenging part of this installation was the lifting of the signs at high wind speeds to the point of installation. The health and safety of our employees as well as the local pedestrians was paramount. The main ARN logo is a flex light box in the center of the building. We had to match the curvature by curving the sign and hoisting it with 2 cradles simultaneously. And the result is a set of logos that are not only eye-catching, but promote the radio network's brand and strategy.